Welcome to the QAP Assessment Tool question type video. The purpose of this video is to orient registrants to each of the question types that will appear within the QAP Assessment Tool. Unlike the previous format of the QAP Assessment Tool, which contains standard multiple choice questions, the new QAP Assessment Tool is in an interactive format consisting of a variety of question types. A link to the navigation tutorial will be provided to registrants ahead of taking the QAP assessment tool, which will allow the opportunity to practice answering each question type. Registrants can complete the navigation tutorial as many times as they need to feel comfortable with the innovative question types and e-platform features. This video will follow the questions in the navigation tutorial and will show how to answer each of the new question formats. Let's take a look. The first question type is a multiple choice question, where the correct answer and answer alternatives are presented in a list. Hover over and click the answer you wish to choose. If you need to change your answer, simply click on the alternate answer you want to choose, or click on the Clear Answer button and make another selection. Once you are happy with your selection, click Next. The following question type we will look at is a multiple response. This is similar to a multiple choice question, except the question may have two or more correct responses. Carefully follow the bold directions within the question. Click on each response you wish to select. If you wish to change your answer, unselect a response or click the Clear Answer button and then re-choose your answers. Ensure to double-check that you have selected the correct number of answers asked in the question, then click Next. The next question involves using an image. Depending on the size of your computer screen, you may need to scroll to view the whole image. This is a hotspot question type, which requires registrants to select the spots on the image that matches the description from the question. A hotspot question may ask you to identify one or more spots on the image. In this example, you are asked to identify tooth number 22. Click on the corresponding spot on the image and you will see a hotspot appear. If you wish to change your answer, select the clear icon and try again. Once satisfied with your selection, click Next. Next is a Select from List question, which contains blank spaces. These are filled by selecting a correct response from a list of drop-down answer alternatives. Read the question, and then for each blank space, click on the arrow to reveal the answer selections, and click on the one you want to choose. If you wish to change your answer, click on the arrow again to make a different selection. Read through the statement with your selected answers before moving to the next question. Within a drag and drop question, a list of words or images are presented corresponding to a graphic. For this question type, click on each of the words and drag them to the appropriate blank spot on the graphic. The space will accommodate to the shape of the box you are dragging over. If you wish to change your answer, drag the word back to its original location. Ensure to use all of the words to fill each blank spot and that none are left behind. There are extended match questions where items in one column correspond to two or more items in the other. In this example, all items on the left side must be matched to the correct choice on the right. To match answers, click on the button in the first column, then click on the corresponding answer button, which will connect them with a line. To delete a match, hover the mouse over the line and click the X that appears. Please note, using a computer with a mouse is best for this question type. Let's move along to the match questions. This question type requires items in one column to be paired with an item in the second column. Drag each response to match with the description. Each item is paired only once, for example, one response per image or description. If you wish to change your answer, you can drag the response back to the right-hand side and replace it with a different one. Ensure all answers have been paired. There are also order questions in which a list of steps are provided in a random order. These steps are then arranged according to the instructions in the question by dragging each item into the correct position. In this example, start by identifying the first step at the top and then rearrange the subsequent steps underneath. Once you have arranged the answers in the correct order, Please read through to ensure the answers are listed in the final order you intended. In addition to adjusting the zoom or scrolling down, for some questions, you may wish to adjust the font size by using the buttons at the top of the page. In this example, a grid multiple choice question sets up the relationship between two components in a table that provides the correct answer and answer alternatives. Looking at the pairs outlined in the table, decipher which row, A, B, C, or D, is best paired. Click on the corresponding answer you wish to choose below. Similarly, fill in the blanks multiple choice is a statement containing two blanks with an associated table. The first column is associated with the first blank space in the statement 1, while the second column is associated with the second blank space in the statement 2. You cannot pair answers from different rows. Choose the row A, B, C, or D that best fills the blank spaces. By choosing D here, you are answering that a universal insert magnetostrictive power-driven instrument is safe for use on clients with residual orthodontic cement. The final question is another variation of a multiple choice. Select the answer you wish to choose. Before completing the assessment, you may choose to select the Overview button to see unanswered or flagged questions. Clicking on the question number will navigate you to the question. Once you have ensured all questions are answered, click on the Complete Assessment button. Thank you for listening to the QAP Assessment Tool question type video, and we hope the information within the video has helped showcase the innovative and interactive question types on the new QAP assessment tool. We encourage registrants to consult the QAP information guide for additional information provided about the QAP assessment tool.